So I know we say there's something special every day, and we do feel pretty honored to be able to have specialty cars every day. But this Turbo One Renault is really special and an icon of the rally world of the 1980s. And certainly something special if you were to have one as a street car in the day. So I hope you enjoy this road test because I know I'm going to. Alrighty, well, here's the R5 Turbo One that we've been waiting for. It has arrived. We're gonna warm it up and put it through its paces a little bit. I must say I love these cars. This is the nicest one I've ever seen. I've owned many Turbo 2s, but have not had a Turbo 1 in this condition. I actually drove one of these every day for a couple of years, and I thought they're just awesome fun. So, and I guess the Turbo 2s had electric windows, whereas this does not. But this has a much cooler interior. So we'll warm her up and then we will come right back to you. Well, we are at operating temperatures, and even on back roads, this thing is an extreme amount of fun. I always liked them with the 13-inch metric wheels. They just look better, they had a better stance. And it feels like it's always going to pick up one front wheel, given the width of the rear wheels. It is compliant to even our roads, but then again, it's a rally car. Plenty quick, given its weight. But where it's at its best is on the twisties. It does have a little lag. Nothing major, especially when you go full throttle. And you'll all see. Several of the cars I had a Devil exhaust, which this does not, which was exceptional because of the sound and the amount of flames it blew. When the temperature changes a little bit, it gets a little colder out. But nonetheless, it does sound good like this as well. So, here we go. Twisties. R5 Turbo at its best. Whole lot of fun. All right, we'll be back in a couple of minutes for our flybys. We're going to show you that it is docile as well, and we'll cruise all day long like this. I don't know if there's anything else we could tell you about this other than it's an icon of the street Group B rallying world, and I say the street because there were a lot of them that were used on the street, and they are just a whole boatload of fun. We'll be back to you on the farm road and get on in a little bit, but I think you already understand what this little rocket ship can do. Alrighty, there we go. As you can see, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. It can cruise any highway, state to state, country to country. Carry your bags on top of the engine cover. When you want to get on it, it just goes. And it's got great brakes as well. So this is truly a special car. I have not been able to find a turbo one in this condition that's been dialed in like this in all of our years, actually. Once again, plenty of turbo 2s, but not a turbo one like this. So she goes back, she gets cleaned up, and she will sit next to her brothers and sisters in the showroom.